I'm sure you've heard the news. Our planet is in trouble. We need it for everything we do. But we make a lot of waste that hurts nature, messing up our land and water. Landfills are overflowing, and our oceans are filled with plastic. This waste contributes to climate changes and harms wildlife. So is there a better way to live? Yes. Off-grid living is the answer. It means making your own energy with solar panels and wind turbines, and taking care of your waste in a smart way. It's all about reducing, reusing, and recycling. Living off-grid helps us see how much we use and throw away. This makes us want to change, to use less and save more. Off-grid living is about being green and living with nature. By making less waste, we help the earth and make it better for everyone. Living off-grid is truly an adventure. It's about freedom and self-reliance. You are in control of your energy and your waste. But remember, this freedom comes with responsibility. When you generate your own power, you learn to conserve it. Use energy wisely, making every watt count. You appreciate the effort it takes to produce. This mindfulness extends to waste management. You become responsible for dealing with your waste, leading to creative solutions. You compost food scraps, turning them into fertile soil. You find new uses for old items, giving them a second life. Off-grid living teaches us valuable lessons. We learn to appreciate the value of resources, understand the importance of reducing our impact. It's a way of life that promotes sustainability and respect for our planet. What can we do to reduce waste? Stay tuned to find out. Reducing waste off-grid can be easy and fun. Start with simple steps. Use reusable containers instead of plastic wrap. Bring your own bags when shopping. Avoid single-use items like plastic cutlery. Composting is a great way to reduce food waste. It's like magic. You collect food scraps, leaves, and garden waste. Over time, they transform into nutrient-rich compost. Use this compost to nourish your garden. Embrace upcycling. Turn old jars into storage containers. Transform worn-out clothes into cleaning rags. Let your creativity flow. Find new purposes for discarded items. For more advanced waste management, explore innovative technologies. Solar-powered compactors can reduce waste volume. Biogas generators can convert organic waste into energy. You can even set up a biogas system at home to produce energy for cooking and heating. These technologies offer efficient and sustainable solutions. Living off-grid doesn't mean living in isolation. In fact, it often brings communities together. Share your knowledge and skills with your neighbors. Organize workshops on composting or upcycling. Create a system for sharing resources within your community. Lend tools instead of buying new ones. Exchange seeds and plants with fellow gardeners. Working together amplifies your impact. Organize community cleanups to keep your surroundings pristine. Join forces to collect and sort recyclables. Educate others about the importance of waste reduction. Together, you can create a cleaner and healthier environment for everyone. Remember, we are all part of a larger ecosystem. Our actions have a ripple effect. By working together, we can create a wave of change towards a more sustainable future. Our planet is a marvel. It provides us with air, water, and life. It's our duty to protect it. By embracing off-grid living and waste reduction, we give back to nature. Every step we take towards sustainability counts. Every piece of plastic we refuse, every item we reuse makes a difference. We become stewards of our environment. Imagine a world with less pollution and more greenery. Imagine clean rivers, clear skies, and thriving ecosystems. This is the future we can create together. Let's make conscious choices today for a brighter tomorrow. To be the generation that turns the tide on waste and leave a legacy of a healthier planet for generations to come. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.